Hi there folks, this is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck and RV, your Class B and B Plus RV specialist. Please check out our website, www.truckandrv.com. That's truckandrv.com to view all of our inventory. We do not put any pricing on YouTube, so if you have price inquiries, please jump over to our website, as all prices are listed on there. We are a full-service dealer. We do offer warranty as well as financing packages. If you have any questions on those, please call my brother Luke in our office at 419-899-2020. For sale today, we have a 2006 Forest River Lexington 235. This is the 235 floor plan. Alright folks, I'm going to take you inside this Lexington here and give you the inside tour of this unit. I am standing just outside of the door, as you can see there. Directly inside, this is a rear kitchen unit. Kitchen's right in the very rear of it. Got a 3-burner cooktop. A good majority of these Lexingtons use this half-time oven, which is a microwave and or convection oven. Got the range hood up top. Control center is right over here. And then we have your kitchen sink. Straight across behind door number 1 is the restroom. Nice sized bathroom with a medicine cabinet, bathroom sink, toilet, and a stand-up shower that also has the skylight for the extra headroom. This unit will sleep up to 4 people. You can sleep 2 on the sofa bed there. Then you can also sleep 2 on the dinette when it goes down into a bed. Nice big gas or electric refrigerator with the wood front on it there. Nice oak cabinetry all the way throughout. Got a Vizio flat screen TV. Leather front seats. Ford chassis. Has carpet here in the living area. Then we've got vinyl or linoleum back in the kitchen and the bathroom. Really nice, clean unit. If you have any questions on this one, please give us a call at Kuhn Truck and RV, 419-899-2020. Thank you for watching this video. I put these together not only for our potential customers, but as well as everybody else out there on YouTube to get a feel of what it's like to be inside of this RV. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.